The FBI has a $3 million bounty on one man's head, the highest reward ever offered for a cybercriminal. His name is Evgeniy Bogachev. His weapon wasn't a gun. It was a botnet of 1 million hijacked computers, and it stole over $100 million. This is the case of GameOver Zeus. It began with a banking Trojan called Zeus. But Bogachev, known online as Slavik, built something far more dangerous. Around 2011, he rebuilt Zeus as a peer-to-peer network. Instead of taking orders from one central server that police could seize, every infected machine could relay commands to the next. There was no head to cut off. Victims were infected through phishing emails and malicious attachments, and once inside, the malware quietly waited for them to log into their bank. When a victim opened their online banking, GameOver Zeus struck, stealing passwords and silently draining accounts, sometimes emptying an entire business payroll in a single transfer. At its peak, up to 1 million computers were infected worldwide. Then, in 2013, Bogachev's network added a terrifying new payload, CryptoLocker. It encrypted a victim's files and demanded payment to unlock them. Hospitals, police departments, and families lost everything unless they paid. Taking it down required an unprecedented alliance. In June 2014, the FBI led Operation Tovar, joining law enforcement from more than 10 countries with firms like Crowdstrike, Dell, and Carnegie Mellon. Together, they mapped the peer-to-peer network, seized its backup domains, and cut the machines off from Bogachev's control. The botnet went dark. Investigators even found the malware searching victims' computers for intelligence secrets. Hitting Bogachev answered to more than just criminals. But the man himself was never caught. He remains in Russia, still wanted, that $3 million reward unclaimed. GameOver Zeus taught the world hard lessons. First, decentralized threats need decentralized defense. No single agency could have one alone. Second, protect your bank logins with multi-factor authentication, so a stolen password isn't enough. Third, back up your files offline, because ransomware only wins when you can't recover. Fourth, patch systems and filter email. Most infections start with a single careless click. And finally, cybercrime and espionage are blurring together. This was a case file from Ozonewall.